and today I'm here covering the reopening of the Matterhorn on opening weekend. I didn't go the first day. What do you think? Well, usually because things break down the first day. It's usually a chaotic mess, it's mad, but it's Saturday, and today I'm gonna ride the Matterhorn. Hopefully I'll be able to ride both sides of the Matterhorn within the course of the day. Might be a little later, who knows, but at any rate, we're gonna see if this thing is finally smooth on the left side, because the left side was so jerky, and how much better they did and how much better it looks. So this is the ultimate classic Disneyland roller coaster, the first steel beam roller coaster made by Aerodynamics. And don't you go changing, or I will find you. So let's see here. So here's the waiting to open it back up. I don't know if they had a breakdown or whatever, but yeah, we got this big line waiting here, waiting for this to open. Wow, stretching around the whole thing. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the single rider line, and I'm going to ride this sucker. And just now, it just opened up. Just now. Really, really cool. Everybody clapping their hands and cheer. The classic coming back to life after being refurbished for as long as it was. Cool. But I say forget all that and ride the single rider line. That's right. Why not? I still have one question. How is that cranky a bottle snowman? Oh my gosh. Oh my lord. Is he still there? Did they improve him? Did he get mad and decide to go to Alice in Wonderland and vibrate all the plants? Or hopefully not go back to the grassy knoll? I hope not. But at any rate, we're going to say hi to him today. All right.
Seatbelts on your right hand side.
All right. Oh, they even loosened the belt for me. Thank you. And I know I better lose the hat, or it's going to be the Abominable Snowman's hat. He'll take it from me. He will take it from me, Vanessa. Yeah, don't you go changing. We love you, cast members. You guys are doing great. Nice knowing you all. And look out for that fluffy Abominable Snowman up there. He's the real culprit.
Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the box. Please, watch your kids. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tobogán. Cuide a los pequeños. Auf Wiedersehen.
seated with your seatbelt fastened. Permanecer sentados, por favor.
So glad to have it back. Okay. So my plan worked. This time I'm on the single rider line of the right side of the track. And look at all these poor, miserable souls about to face the abominable snowman. You're all gonna die! I mean, one day, sooner or later. It's not a mistruth. Oh, look at these poor victims about to face the abominable snowman. Oh no! Especially that cute little hair one over there. That one's cute. Row 6. All right. Here we go. All the way to the back, where the cool kids sit. I just noticed something. The seatbelts on that side are on one side, and the seatbelts on this are on another. So it's on like the opposite side for the seatbelts. Very weird.
Seated with your seatbelt fastened. Permanecer sentados, por favor.
Exit out to your left, push down on the right, then pull up on the yellow.
Oh, there we go.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened.
Thank you. Good Lord. We all know how Splash Mountain went out with a thunderous applause. And Matterhorn's coming back in with a thunderous applause, as you can see. They're better off taking on single rider line, of course. All the way back here, friends. So there it is. I rode both sides of the Matterhorn and I checked it out. And let me tell you something. Last time I did my 2 POV ride, the right side was smoother. Now the right side appears to be rougher. Other than the drop you have in the middle, the right side appears to be rougher now. So I think they smoothed out the left side, and that's what they were doing. They're also working on a lot of these water features you can see here and a few other aspects of the ride. I think it's going to be a good ride for the summer now. And you can see the line, I mean, 65 minutes around. I mean, that is amazing. What a welcome to a ride. If this ride had a living soul, it would be happy right now because all these people want to ride it. So until next time, this is the Mad Hatter saying, don't you go changing or I'll find you.